Hello students, very lovely good morning to all of you. Now in computer, we are going for next topic. Our today's topic is basic elements of computer programming languages. Students, computer programming languages are made of several elements. Okay, so elements means these are the parts of programming languages. I mean to say computer programming languages. So by the summation of them, computer programming languages are structured, we can say, or architectured, we can say, means structured, or these are made. Getting me? So by the elements or by the summation of elements, computer programming languages are made by the programmer. So here today we are going to discuss about only one element of computer programming language, that is identifiers or variables. Okay, you see this term variable in your mathematics subject also, and you use variables in the form of you mostly x y z, means in alphabetical forms, could be a b c any letter. Okay, in your algebra. So here we start about variables. Student, in computer, variable is the name of location. What? Variable is the name of location where information or data is stored in computer memory. In variable means variable, here we are using as a storage device, we can say as a storage device. It is static. Okay, storage device. And variables are letters, alphabetical letters like x y z. So variables are used as the location of computer memory where data is stored, and in case of need we can retrieve that data again from variables. Okay, because that is fixed there in computer memory. So I have mentioned to you any letter can be defined as variable like x, y, z and so on. So we can define variables as that variables are those which may contain any value in them. Variables are changeable. It may contain, variable may contain any value in it. Okay, sometimes you get result of any question in maths 10, sometimes 20. Okay, that depends upon your calculation. Okay, so variables are those which may contain any value in them. Now we have to consider some rules for naming a variable, how to put a variable in a computer. So for this we have a list of rules. First one, length of variable name can be any number. Length of variable name can be any number, 1 2 3 4, whatever. Second one, white space is not permitted. It means that while you are writing your variable, whatever letters, digits and underscore you have mentioned in it, in between them space bar key is not used, is not allowed to use, I mean to say. Okay, so means we cannot make spaces between letters, digits, and whatever we have mentioned in a variable. Okay, that's why white space is not permitted. Third one, variable name should be meaningful. What? Variable name should be meaningful means later whatever you are mentioning in your variable should be should be a letter for a particular language, like you can use your English alphabetical letters A B C. You can also use Hindi language. But if you are doing anything which is meaningless, then your variable would be invalid. Okay, so variable name should be meaningful, which easily depicts logic, which easily depicts logic. And logic we can get from only languages, because languages are based on their grammar, languages are based on their rules. That's why I'm telling you that variable name should be meaningful, belongs to any particular language. Okay, next one, variable name must begin with a letter. Consider this point. Variable name must begin with a letter first, and then you may contain digits and underscore in it. Next one, variable name should not be a reserved keyword. Here, reserved keyword means like any term could be like data. Data is a term that is specific for computer. Likewise, another example you can put void, void, void. So void is a function for your computer languages like C, C. Okay, that is also called mother language. So if you are using your reserved keyword, then variable would be invalid. So variable name should not be a reserved keyword. Okay, beside them you can use your alphabetical letters, whatever alphabets you have in especially in English, with digits and underscore for naming a variable. Okay, so you have to understand that variables are those which may contain any value, and these are changeable, these are not constant in a program. It depends upon your calculation, whatever inputs you are using for your variables. Okay, and depends upon the logic, whatever logic you have mentioned. Means if you are doing for sum, like sum is equal to a plus b, sum is equal to a plus b. So if we have put the value for a 5 and we have put the value for b is 6, so the sum of both the variables would be 5 plus 6 equals to 11. Okay, so in this way we have done variable. Thank you, have a good day.